Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can receive more money on Bloxburg. Like when people donate to you, you can receive more money. So I suggest you getting a register. So go to build mode, go to decorate, and just type in register. You do need the block bucks. I don't really know how to pronounce it properly, but they already will give you like around 200, and it's enough for the cash register one. So make sure you have that and just place it on your store. Then people are able to purchase items from like your store here, or people can donate more money to you using the cash register. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this video. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.